What's up, YouTube? I just shot my first dove here. It's not my first dove ever, but it's my first dove with my new pellet gun that I got a couple weeks ago. And, I mean, it's pretty cool. I like tore its head off. It's pretty awesome. Like, see, there's its beak, and its head is all deformed and not even there, so it's a fat little dove. And as you can see, it's pretty rainy and wet out. It was worse earlier, and now it's all cleared up, so that's better than what it was before. And right here, I got the dove I shot in the face, and I got my pellets here, .22 caliber, and I'll show you what pellet I shot it with out of the super point, the domed magnum, the pointed expanding, and the hollow point. And I'll show you what I shot it with. And right here is the pellet gun itself, and it's a Beeman dual caliber air rifle. I don't have the scope on it right now because I just got it and I haven't sighted it in yet. But other than that, it's awesome. Yeah. It's just incredible. Comes with .177 and .22 caliber. And I just like it a lot. It's better than my old BB gun. And I'll show you the pellet and how to cock it and load it and all that stuff and how it shoots. Alright, hang on. So, this is it, and it's a break barrel. Means just break it. Oh crap. Oh man, it's already loaded. Anyway, just shoot this. I'll show you how it shoots first. Evidently, I'll just shoot over here in the grass. Yeah. That's how you cock it, and just set this over here right now. This is the pellet I shot it with, right here. And comes with the I'll tell you again. Super point, the dome magnum, the pointed expanding, and the hollow point. And my favorite is the pointed expanding, which is this. Right here. And hang on, I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh crap. Right there. I think it's the best for hunting. That's terrible. You guys can't see that. And I like it the most just because most penetration and it expands the most. And I just got Benjamin Discovery pellets for the .22. Yeah. And I'll show you the gun again, and I'll shoot it again, and then I guess I'll see you later. Alright. Well, I already cocked it, so you just cock it like this, and then just get the pellet you want. Or just grab some random pellet. And you just put it in the barrel. And for people that don't know how to load one of these, I mean, pretty easy. I don't know who wouldn't know how to load one of these. I mean, I don't know why I showed you guys that, but I mean, why not? there's nothing else to talk about, so that's really all I had to tell you, so see you later.